What's going on, everybody? It's Rick from Gardening with Barchuckin. My garlic's looking really well. It's hard neck, so I got to go ahead and remove some scapes right now. It should help to produce larger heads when I go to harvest next month. So I'll bring you along and show you what I'm doing. This is the garlic scape, and if you leave this will turn into a flower and then actually produce the exact genetic code of this garlic that you could replant, which I did right here, and I'll show you that in a second. But all I go ahead and do, you can just break it with your fingers. I'm going to use the snips, and then I'm just going to go through and cut them all off. So these were the bulbils or the bulblets that I planted out at the end of last season. At the end of this season, they should go ahead and basically look like a clove. And then when I plant them out next year, they should go ahead and turn into a full head of garlic. Okay, so that's one row's worth. I have 4 rows planted, so I'll bring it back once they're all trimmed up. I showed you some of these bulblets and bulbils earlier. This guy here, his top has basically flopped over. So I guess I'll bring you along and just quick see what it's looking like underneath. Wow. So check that out. So now for next season, I can plant this and it should grow and turn into a full head of garlic. Cool. So I'll keep an eye on these guys, and as they continue to flop over, then I know that they're pretty much done growing for the season, and I can dig them up for these essentially cloves of garlic that I can plant out next year. Those were the garlic scapes I was able to harvest, and basically it was kind of weird. This outer row had scapes and this outer row had scapes, but the 2 middle rows I didn't have any scapes that formed yet, so I'll just keep an eye on them. With harvesting garlic scapes, you want to wait until it starts off straight, then it'll get this bend, and you want to try to get to it before it starts to make a curl. So once it makes its first bend, that's a great time to harvest your garlic scapes. If you guys have any questions about garlic or garlic scapes, don't forget, drop them down in the comments. I want to say thanks for coming along, checking out the video. Everybody have a great day.